Tesla's Optimus robot can now learn like a human. Elon Musk's bold AI leap. Elon Musk has once again captured the world's attention, this time not with a new car or space launch, but with a humanoid robot that's learning in a strikingly human-like way. Tesla has released new footage of Optimus, its in-development humanoid robot, showcasing a major advancement. Optimus can now learn how to perform tasks simply by watching humans do them. According to Musk, this isn't just another software update. It's a fundamental leap forward in artificial intelligence and potentially a turning point in robotics history. The breakthrough reveals Tesla's push to move away from rigid, pre-programmed robots toward machines that can observe, interpret, and imitate, a skill once thought to be exclusive to biological intelligence. For Musk, this new learning strategy marks a significant milestone on the road to building general-purpose robots capable of real-world applications. Learning by observation, a shift from code to cognition. Traditionally, robots have required painstaking programming to perform even the most basic actions. Whether it was sorting packages or screwing in bolts, every motion needed to be defined in code. That approach, while effective in controlled environments like factories, doesn't scale well to the messy, unpredictable nature of real-world tasks. Tesla is now proposing something radically different, a robot that can learn by watching, much like a human being. In the latest demo video, Optimus is seen picking up tasks after observing a person do them, similar to how we learn new skills by watching YouTube tutorials. This includes jobs such as vacuuming, sorting objects, stirring food, and taking out the trash. These aren't just hard-coded instructions, they are interpreted actions, performed in context. According to Tesla's engineering lead, Milan Kovac, Optimus now processes visual inputs, maps them to action patterns, and reproduces them in the real world. It's a fundamental shift from writing code to teaching through example. A step toward human-like adaptability. The most exciting part of this breakthrough is what it signals for the future: task adaptability. Elon Musk refers to this as task extensibility, the ability for a machine to learn any new task quickly as long as it is shown a clear example. That means if someone were to show Optimus a video of folding laundry, preparing a sandwich, or assembling furniture, the robot could, in theory, learn the process and attempt it independently. Tesla plans to build on this framework by feeding Optimus massive amounts of video content from real-world human activity, whether from purpose-recorded demos or public sources like YouTube. In Musk's vision, Optimus doesn't need traditional programming anymore. Instead, it just needs instructions and a visual guide. With the ability to process spoken or text-based commands, this could eventually allow users to instruct the robot with natural language, eliminating the barrier of technical skill entirely. The end of hand-coding robots? If Tesla's method proves scalable and reliable, it could mark the beginning of the end of manually programmed robots. Current industrial and service robots rely on deeply structured instructions to perform tasks, and adapting them to new tasks often takes months of engineering work. But if a robot can instead watch and learn like a human, this opens the door to vastly more flexible machines. Imagine a world where robots don't just run predefined workflows in factories, but instead learn continuously, adjusting to the environment, improving their skill set, and helping with whatever needs to be done, be it at home, in a warehouse, or in a hospital. That's the future Tesla is aiming for with Optimus, and Musk believes it's closer than many realize. Real capabilities or just a PR move? Despite the optimism, skepticism remains. Tesla's previous robot demos, including earlier iterations of Optimus, have faced criticism for lacking real autonomy. In fact, some observers argued that those demos featured actions that were either pre-recorded or partially human-controlled. Critics have questioned whether Optimus is truly thinking for itself,
or merely following finely tuned choreography. This time, however, the focus is on the robot's ability to interpret and respond to human actions with a higher degree of freedom. The new video appears to show the robot executing tasks with more fluidity and independence, suggesting that Tesla has made real progress. Whether these behaviors can scale across complex and unpredictable environments remains an open question, but the approach is promising. A long road ahead in robotics development. Even with this new learning strategy, Tesla faces significant challenges. Robots still struggle with tasks requiring fine motor control, dynamic balancing, and tactile feedback. Companies like Boston Dynamics still lead the field in areas like robot mobility, dexterity, and precise physical manipulation. Tesla's robots may now be able to learn tasks visually, but they are still limited in the actual execution, especially when it comes to complex hand movements or navigation in cluttered spaces. Experts warn that despite Tesla's innovation in the AI layer, real-world general-purpose robotics will require breakthroughs in hardware, sensor technology, and physical control, not just software. Without strong mechanical finesse, a robot can know what to do, but still fail to do it successfully. Factory applications and Tesla's vision for scale. Still, Musk is confident in Optimus's potential. He believes Tesla will begin deploying Optimus in its own manufacturing plants as early as 2025, if not sooner. The aim is to use the robot for internal tasks first, from handling logistics to assisting with basic operations. These relatively structured environments are ideal proving grounds before moving into more chaotic, human-centric spaces like homes or public venues. Musk has gone so far as to say Optimus could one day become Tesla's most important product, surpassing even the car business in impact and scale. He envisions a future where millions of Optimus robots are working side by side with humans, or perhaps even independently, performing a wide variety of tasks across industries. What this means for the future of AI and robotics. Tesla's development of Optimus is more than a new product announcement. It's part of a broader movement in artificial intelligence toward systems that can learn in context, generalize skills, and integrate into everyday life. It's a push toward machines that don't need to be programmed, but instead can be taught. If successful, this could drastically lower the barrier to robotic deployment across society. Instead of writing complex robot scripts, anyone, from a factory manager to a homeowner, could train a robot using demonstrations and verbal instructions. The robot would learn as a child does, by watching, imitating, refining, and mastering over time. Final thoughts: a new kind of learning machine. Whether or not Tesla achieves all of its ambitions with Optimus, it's clear that the direction of innovation is changing. Robots that learn from life, rather than code, represent a major philosophical and technical shift. And with Elon Musk placing heavy bets on this future, the world will be watching closely. For now, Optimus may still be learning to vacuum and stir soup, but the larger story is that Tesla's robot is no longer a tool programmed line by line. It's a learner, and one that might soon be ready to take its place in the real world.